Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to save a job using the Adzuna application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then just click on Job Company Title and just type in your preferred job or position and just click on Done, and then click on City, Province, Zip Code and just type in your location or where you want your job to be, and just click on Search. And you can see there are 103 available cashier jobs in London at the moment, so you can just scroll down, and if you want to save a job, just click on the little gray heart at the right side of the page, and as it turns orange, your job will be saved. And actually you can see all your saved jobs in the My Jobs button at the bottom of the page. So if you just click on it, then you can see all the saved jobs that you have. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.